Look at this! This is a bucket list, this one. It's Llanddwyn Island. And it is absolutely stunning. Look at it. It's beautiful. Lovely sand. Kids playing on the beach. It's beautiful.
Sounds like powder, isn't it?
It is. It's lovely. Lovely colour.
Sun's going to come out soon, apparently.
Yay.
Anyway, on with it.
The lighthouse in the distance, this is what we came here for. It's the Pilgrim's Light. It's absolutely beautiful, look. You can see the mainland in the background. And as we come round here, we'll show you in a bit, is Mount Snowdon. Patron saint of lovers. It's about love, heartbreak, devotion and magic. She was the beautiful daughter of King Britain Brysiog, although betrothed. She fell in love with a prince called Malon Daffodil. When Malon heard that Daron was to be married to another, he was furious. He attacked her and his sin was frozen in a block of ice. Oh, her heart broken, she ran away to the forest to pray, where an angel granted her 3 wishes. Firstly, she asked for Malon to be unfrozen. Secondly, she'd be allowed to help people who are unhappy in love. Lastly, she asked never to want to be married.
Well, we made it.
We did it. This is beautiful.
Any information on this lighthouse? What you got?
The Light of Twymar has been a welcome sight for mariners making their way in and out of the treacherous Menai Straits since the 1800s. It's thought that the unlit old tower called Twyll Bash was not big enough to be seen clearly from sea. Pilgrims crossing by boat between Bardsley Island, Llanddwyn and the other sacred sites of Anglesey may have had little more than their faith to guide them.
And that is all.
And there's numerous cormorants here that make up 1% of the Britain's total population. And apparently the sea around here gives very rich pickings for the fishermen. Look at this. Wow. It's amazing. I think it's one of the cleanest beaches we've ever been on. The rocks and the pebbles are all beautiful, all different colours. And all the way over there, that's where we've just come from, which is right over by the lighthouse. And all the way around in the forest. And it goes all the way round, and in the distance is Snowdonia. And all the way through the valleys, like the Welsh valleys and along. Just, it's mind-blowing, it's so vast. But it's beautiful. If you're going to come to Llanddwyn Beach and Llanddwyn Island. You won't be disappointed, but bring your lunch.